Stalker! This is our very first day with Stalker on the mission.
Finally. Okay, so you guys.
We start with one Orby. Oh.
Olivia, that's not on it! Okay, so we're gonna be remaking some birthday Bonanza slime. So.
Orbeez!
Okay, so we're gonna be putting in some glue. Okay, I think that's enough.
More.
No more glue, Stalker.
But glue is the best part. I'm so.
Some of my hands. Okay, so now we're gonna add water, which is the most crucial part to be okay. I'm just gonna add some nice water. Yeah, that looks really great. Okay, so now we're gonna add.
Did you mix the borax in the water?
No mistakes, just happy accidents.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting to form the whatever I'm doing.
Olivia, can you let the dog out?
Yeah, Olivia, let the dog out.
Yes, Stalker.
I'm. Yeah, Claire.
What? Okay.
They all already know our names. This is the saddest.
There's only one person who isn't us, and it's probably us.
Timberly does not want to go out.
Push him out. Take his collar and push him out.
Guys, we're so bad at this.
Knock the dog out.
It's already a minute and 38 seconds. I'm gonna stop it.